To manage your registrations, you can go inside your event, click on the Registrations tab. On the right-hand side, you have the ability to add attendees. Inside of the account, you'll be able to see the number of registrations on record, the number of tickets that have been issued, and the total revenue paid ticket sales. You can then click on each one of the registrants, manage them, export list, delete selected, and then you can also click into actions to view the details or resend confirmation via email, SMS, or WhatsApp when available in your account. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click on and export the total CSV file. You can click on Add Attendee. You can then choose each one of the tickets where you will be able to see the total number of sold and VIP. After choosing the quantity, applying any coupon codes, you can then click on Continue. You'll then be able to issue each one of the tickets to their appropriate buyer. Ticket 1 will apply. We can choose a first name, last name if they do not exist already in the account. But if ticket 2 is for someone else, we will click on Other Attendee. Or we can click on ticket 1 if we are applying the same ticket for everyone as one person buying all of the tickets. Once we're happy and we see the ticket name on the right-hand side or the appropriate phone number or email, click on Continue. If you have a payment provider set up inside the account and the selected contact already has a card on file, you can click on Charge Card. If you do not have a payment provider inside your account, you can also record manually. You can choose cash, card, check, bank transfer, or other for your accounting purposes, then choose an internal note. Once you have the internal note with a minimum of 10 characters, you can add and record that payment. You'll see the total, any coupon codes, and then the order will be issued. This will be processed through your payment provider on file. This way, your accounting records can be pulled. You'll see the tickets have been issued to the appropriate attendees. We can then view all registrations. We can see the status as succeeded for these tickets. If a payment did not succeed, you will see that here. You can then sort as succeeded, processing, pending, or canceled. You can also choose the date range for each one of these options. You then click on columns if you want to sort each one of these sections with additional formats.